In the heart of Wetzlar, Germany, there is a red that carries more weight than any other symbol in the history of photography. It's not just a logo. It's a legacy. For over 70 years, the Leica M system has been the silent witness to the most pivotal moments in human history. From the heat of Vietnam to the streets of Paris, the M mount has captured the soul of the world. But today, in 2026, we are standing at a crossroads. The purists are nervous, the tech enthusiasts are salivating, and the competition is terrified. Because the rumors are no longer just whispers in dark rooms. The Leica M12 is real. And it is about to break every rule that Leica itself spent a century writing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're watching this, you know that owning a Leica isn't about specs. It's about the M experience. It's about that mechanical click, the weight of brass, and the soul of the glass. But let's be honest, the digital age has been a difficult transition for a rangefinder. How do you keep the soul of a 1954 cubic meters while competing with the AI-driven 8K video pumping monsters from Sony and Canon? With the M12, Leica isn't just trying to keep up. They are attempting a total reinvention of the digital rangefinder. And from what we are seeing in the latest leaks, they might have actually pulled it off. Think about the current landscape. We are living in a world of perfection. Every smartphone can take a sharp photo. Every mirrorless camera can focus on a bird's eye from a mile away. But that perfection has made photography feel clinical. It's lost its grit. The Leica M12 is being positioned as the antidote to that clinical perfection. It is rumored to be the first M camera to feature a hybrid, triple-resolution sensor that isn't just about megapixels. It's about texture. We are talking about a 60-megapixel full-frame beast that can downscale to 36 or 18 megapixels at the hardware level, giving you a dynamic range that mimics the organic falloff of Kodak Portrait film. This isn't just a camera, it's a time machine. But here is where the controversy starts. To the M system diehards in the United States, the rangefinder patch is sacred. It's a mechanical miracle of mirrors and prisms. But the M12 is rumored to be taking a massive leap into the future with an integrated hybrid viewfinder. Imagine looking through a crystal-clear optical window, but with a high-resolution 4 million dot OLED overlay that gives you focus peaking and exposure data without losing that real-world feel. It's the bridge between the analog past and the digital future. Some call it heresy. Others call it the only way the M series survives the next decade. The design of the M12 is where the obsession with detail truly shines. In an era where everything is made of plastic and planned obsolescence, Leica is doubling down on forever. The M12 is rumored to be 3.5 millimeters thinner than the M11, bringing it back to the exact dimensions of the legendary M6 film camera. When you hold this in your hand, you aren't holding a piece of consumer electronics. You are holding a block of magnesium and brass that was hand-assembled by a technician who probably spent 30 years perfecting their craft. In the US, where we value the buy it once, buy it right philosophy, the M12 is the ultimate status symbol of quality over quantity. Let's talk about the Leica look. Why do people spend $9,000 on a body and $5,000 on a lens? It's the micro